fam? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Myself, I'm doing alright, fam. I'm doing alright, y'all. Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Now, today, what we got today? Alright, man. So the headline reads: Oscar Pambuka's partner in crime, Psychology Maziwisa, finally arrested after being on the run. Psychology, how far do you think you were gonna go, son? How far did you think you were gonna go? So as it seems, man, Oscar Pambuka's partner, Psychology, is now in police custody, yo, after being on the run, after being found guilty of having defrauded the Zimbabwe power company. All right. Now the article reads, man. Let's just dive into this real quick. Former ZBC presenter Oscar Pambuka's partner in crime, they got jokes, and partner in crime, Psychology Maziwisa, was finally arrested on Friday. The former legislator, believed to have been on the run, was remanded in custody as he is expected to start serving his 30-month, 2.5-year sentence for fraud. Alright, so it's actually 2.5-year sentence for fraud. Maziwisa's partner in crime, Oscar Pambuka, is already serving a 2.5-year jail term for defrauding power utility ZESA of more than $12,000. Okay, so according to this article, it seems like Oscar Pambuka's sentence was finally got 2.5 years. All right, so initially it was projected to be at 6 years, but it seems like he has already started serving 2.5 years. All right, so former Highfield MP Psychology Maziwisa and Pambuka were found guilty of defrauding ZESA in 2018. All right, y'all. So that's your story on that. Psychology Maziwisa finally in custody. I'm not sure whether they caught him or he took himself and handed himself in. I don't know. Quite frankly, I don't know what he was planning to do. I don't know what way he was planning to go, but I'm sure we saw this coming, yo. Hopefully, there'll be a bit lenient on him and he doesn't get extra time, for giving the police a runaround, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully they'll just find it in their hearts, man, just to, serve the amount of years he was initially supposed to serve. Anyway, y'all, thank you guys for tuning in. If it's your first time tuning into the Blessed Review, remember to share, like, subscribe. It's your boy Bless, and I'm out.